Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MSG file to PDF format. Search on Google Turds MSG to PDF wizard. Click on download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your MSG files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing MSG file. Select MSG files. Check the file. The software will convert both the emails and the attachments to PDF when you check this option while conversion. This option will create non-searchable PDF file in black and white mode. Select Destination folder. File naming option. Trial version limitation. Buy or activate product license here. Converted PDF file.